There was something I was going to do today. Oh, that's right. I was going to show you how I finished this guitar. Let's go.
Before I can apply any lacquer finish to this guitar, I need to age this new binding. So I mix up some shellac and a couple of leather dyes, and I apply it to the binding, and that gives it that aged look.
The next thing I want to do is glue in the headstock veneer. Now I want to focus my attention on that sticker. I have some clear paper and I found a logo online. After I scanned it into Photoshop, notice that the background just needs a little tweaking. Came in a little bit light, so I just want to darken it up a bit. And the B and J look a little light as well and washed out. I'm going to make a few corrections here and then print out a test print. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's see how it looks on the guitar. This is the first time I've ever done this Waterslide Decal, so cut me a break if you see a few things go wrong here. So the first thing I didn't do was put a seal coat on top of the image after I printed it. I saw some people do it online and I just completely forgot. I remember they used shellac as a seal coat, so that's what I did. After all that, when I went to apply it to the guitar, this happened.
It's not going to work.
So I quickly ran to the store and came back with the right paper, reprinted it, reapplied it. Now it came out exactly the way I knew it would.
Perfect.
So now I want to focus my attention on the back. Now that I have it stained and sealed with a couple of coats of shellac, I'm ready to start adding some lacquer.
For the lacquer, I'm using a clear gloss lacquer by Color Tone. It's a nitrocellulose lacquer.
I add a bunch of coats of lacquer to the back of this and sanding in between maybe every 3-4 coats. Okay, so now that I have about 7 or 8 coats of lacquer on here.
Yeah, I put 3 coats on.
You put 3 coats on? Okay, so
Don't forget I put 2 coats on.
you put 2 coats on. Wow, okay. Well, I guess we got plenty of coats of lacquer on here. Let's start sanding. I have an eraser and some 320. This stuff is flexible. It's almost like rubber, but I love this stuff. Wrap it around the eraser and it's flat, but a little flexible. Here I want to sand the finish as flush as I can get it. I know it's not going to be perfect. I'm not going for something perfect. It's obviously been a repair with all the original wood. This is going to be a great player guitar, so I'm not really looking for perfection.
So that wraps it up for this restoration. If you like this video, give it a like. And if you are so inclined, go ahead and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Wow.